Here question number 5 is find the inverse of the matrix having element 2, minus 2, 4, 3. We know that A into adjoint of A equal to adjoint of matrix A into A is always equal to determinant of A into matrix A. If we take this and this, A into adjoint of A is equal to determinant of A into matrix A. Or we can say we will transfer this adjoint to the right hand side uh, or and B transfer the determinant here and A to the right hand side. So we get here adjoint of A divided by determinant of A equal to I into A, which is equal to A inverse into I. I is the identity matrix which is equal to A inverse matrix. Therefore, A inverse matrix is equal to adjoint of A divided by matrix determinant A. So this is the formula. Now we will find out the adjoint of matrix A. Let A is equal to 2 minus 2, 4, 3. First of all, we will find the minors. M11 is, we delete this. So 3 is the minor and cofactor of 2 will be minus 1 raised to power 1 plus 1 into this minor 3. So this is equal to 3. M12 is equal to element in the first and second column this. So we delete this and get 4, which so the cofactor is equal to minus 1 raised to power 1 plus 2 into the minor, which is equal to minus 4. M21 minor of the element 4. Delete this, we get minus 2. And the cofactor of 4 will be minus 1 raised to power 2 plus 1 into minus 2, which is minus 1 into minus 2, which is equal to 2. Now minor of element 3, delete this, we get 2, this element 2. So the cofactor is equal to minus 1 raised to power 2 plus 2 into 2, which is equal to 2. Therefore, cofactor matrix is equal to 3 minus 4, 2 and 2. Now transpose adjoint. Adjoint of A is a transpose of the cofactor matrix. So now the adjoint of the matrix is 3 minus 4. First row becomes first column, second row becomes second column. Now this is the adjoint. Now we will find the determinant of the matrix. Matrix is 2, 4, minus 2 and 3. So the determinant is obtained by multiplying this 6 minus minus 8. So it is 14, which is not equal to 0. Therefore, A inverse exists. If it is 0, then A inverse does not exist. Therefore, inverse A will be 1 upon 14. We will put here into adjoint. Adjoint is 3, 2 minus 4, 2, which is equal to 3 upon 14, 2 upon 14, minus 4 upon 14, 2 upon 14. Or we can write 3 upon 14, 1 upon 7, minus 2 upon 7, and 1 upon 7. So this is the required inverse of the given matrix.